Dumpster Rentals, Brandon, Mississippi. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Brandon, Mississippi? ATA Rental Services can easily meet all your waste management needs. At ATA Rental Services, we provide convenient, professional dumpster rental that make any project cleaner and more organized. Whether it's a home renovation, construction project, or significant cleanout, we offer dumpsters suited for any job size. Our team knows the importance of staying on schedule, so we provide timely delivery and pickup services. We care for the details so you can focus on your project without interruptions. With ATA Rental Services, you're choosing a local company committed to quality and reliability. We pridefully serve Brandon, Mississippi, and nearby areas, ensuring each client gets the best service and support. Safety and efficiency are our top priorities, and we help you maintain a clean and safe workspace. Our dumpsters can easily handle everything from household debris to heavy construction materials. We offer flexible rental options to fit your timeline, making the process as simple as possible. If you're unsure about the best dumpster for your project, our friendly team is here to help you make the right choice. For simple waste management, call us at 601-920-9179. ATA Rental Services, keeping Brandon, Mississippi, clean with a reliable dumpster rental for every need.